Hey, so if you want to turn spreadsheet data into visual graphs and charts, yeah, Google Sheets makes it really easy. In this guide, I'll show you how to make charts in Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, open Google Sheets and create or open a spreadsheet with data. Now highlight the rows and columns you want to include in the chart. Go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart based on your selected data. You can switch between pie charts, bar charts, line graphs, and more. Use the chart editor to change titles, labels, colors, and style. Drag the chart to reposition it or resize it inside your spreadsheet. When your spreadsheet data changes, the chart updates automatically. You can download the chart as an image or share the spreadsheet with others. And yeah, that's it. That's how you make charts in Google Sheets and turn data into easy-to-understand visuals in 2026.